Hello, good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Angelica C. Galicia, and I am 28 years old. I live in Block 6, Addition Hills, Mandaluyong City, Philippines. I have two children. My firstborn was a boy. He is 6 years old. And my secondborn was a girl. She is 3 years old. And I am separated. I have four brothers, and I am the only girl. And I am senior high school graduated. I worked before as an housemaid in Qatar for 2 years and 4 months, from March 2022 to July 2024. I served 8 members, 5 adults, ages 47, 46, 19, 17, and 15 years old, and 3 kids, ages 10, 8, and 6 years old. I do household work like cleaning, ironing clothes, laundry clothes, cooking, and also taking good care of the 3 kids, playing them, and keep all they want. Kids is my priority before my household work. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and dedicated, and fast learner, and able to work under pressure. If you choose me, I promise to finish my contract and serve to you as my own family. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and have a blessed day.